Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about Selenium WebDriver API commands for navigation. The navigation commands which is used in the browsers. These are all the list of navigation commands. I think from the name itself you can guess its usage. These navigation commands are a bit tricky or complicated while using it in other automation tools, but in Selenium they have readily available methods to make it coding easier for us. Now we'll see with practical implementation. The end-to-end scenario for today's session is we are going to use the Amazon website, launch the amazon.in. Once it is done, click on cart. After that, click on back button. It should come to the home screen. Then click on forward button. It should come back to the cart page. Once it is done, refresh the screen. Then from here directly navigate to the customer service screen and close the browser. Now we will see how to implement it. In the previous video, if you have gone through, you know how to create the instance for Chrome driver. Then we are maximizing the browser, then launching the amazon.in. Till this you know how to do it. Then as per our requirement, click on cart button. For this, right click, inspect, then copy, export. How to navigate to this link? Driver dot find element by dot xpath. After that, click. So we have clicked it. Then next step is go back to the previous page. For this, very easier, driver dot navigate dot, we will have all the methods. Back. After this, the next step is we have to navigate forward. Navigate dot forward. After this, as per our requirement, we have to refresh the browser. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. After this, we have to navigate to the customer service page. For this, driver dot navigate dot to, here we have to mention the URL. Since the execution will go very fast, we will add wait 3 seconds for each step. How to include wait thread dot sleep millisecond 3 seconds, and it is throwing the error. You have to add the throws declaration. In that, select the interrupted exception. Same step, copy paste between each step. Now we will execute and see how it works. Control Shift F11, browser launched, maximized, Amazon loaded, clicking on cart button, then back, waiting for 3 seconds, forward, refreshing the screen. In the active browser, it is directly navigating to the customer service. Hope you understood how to include all these, and if you add driver.close, the browser will be closed. This is how we have to include the navigation commands wherever it is needed. That's the end of today's session. In case of any clarification, please post your queries, and don't forget to subscribe to get each upload notification. Happy learning!